So TikTok is obviously a huge platform with over a billion users, and obviously with that many people using this app, there's gonna be people like me who will try to go ahead and find ways to make money on them. And today, I'm going to show you my favorite way that I found so far to make money, and obviously it's gonna be by live streaming on TikTok. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you on how you could go ahead and live on TikTok. And I'll also give you some tips and tricks, and in the end of the video, if you don't have the live stream feature yet on your TikTok, I'll show you on how you could go ahead and get one. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and live stream on TikTok and possibly earn a lot of money. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. This is determined by your birth rate when you initially create your TikTok profile. And second, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers to unlock the capability to go live. So first things first, you can still go ahead and live stream on TikTok even though you do not meet the age requirement. Some users actually stream faceless, and in that way they can go ahead and get the requirement unless the birth date of the account is actually set to that 16 years of age. And second, if you don't have 1,000 followers yet, you can still go ahead and unlock the capability to go live. I'll go ahead and show you this at the end of the video on how you could go ahead and do this. So with the requirements out of the way, we can now go ahead and proceed on how to go live on TikTok. So to go ahead and go live on TikTok, just head on over to the TikTok app. Go to the plus where you normally post your video, and then scroll over to the bottom to where it says live. As I've said, if you do not meet the requirements that we've talked about previously, this option will not be here. But once again, I'll go ahead and teach you on how you could go ahead and live without having 1,000 followers. After that, you will go ahead and notice few things popped up first. You'll have the option to add title. There's no special strategies for this title. You'll stream exactly what you're doing. For this example, I'm just gonna go ahead and put Google Perfect Snake because that's what I'm streaming about. And below, you have the option to add a topic. So it really doesn't matter. You could just go ahead and add topic if you'd like it, but it won't go ahead and affect your viewers. But of course, you could go ahead and categorize your stream if you want to go ahead and reach a more niche group of people. And right next, we have the topic button. You could add a live goal, and this is something that you definitely want to do. And to explain what a live goal is, let me explain first on how you could go ahead and make money on TikTok live. So while you're live streaming, your audience can choose to give you this cartoon type things that cost coins. They can range from 1 coin, which is equal to 1.3 cents, or even 35,000 coins, which equals to around $350. If somebody gives you this, you will not go ahead and get the entire money because, as you may know, TikTok is really greedy. They will go ahead and take over half of the money, but it's okay because you're still getting some money at the end of the day for doing basically nothing. So now back to the live goal. Your live goal is basically what gifts you want to get by at the end of the stream. And I would recommend going to TikTok Live tab just to look at some live streams to know what your viewers will be looking at, and you can also go ahead and see how many coins each gift is worth. I would recommend going low with your live, especially for the first live stream, because I'm pretty sure TikTok automatically makes a 20 gold roses, which is around 20 cents. But after they cut the 20 cents, you will be left with 8 cents. And all the settings right here is pretty self-explainable, and you don't really have to change any of the other settings right here. So the next step is just clicking the go live button. But before you do that, we have to go ahead and find out what type of stream do you want to make. If you want to copy what I did, I just took my phone and held it to a computer and played Google Snake videos on YouTube. And I just talked to the chat personally, and I did not show my face on these live streams. But of course, you could still go ahead and do your own thing if you're into stuff like makeups or maybe dramas or maybe even your life, something interesting. You could just go ahead and show that to your viewers. But once again, you could just go ahead and talk to the chat, and that could be your live stream. As long as you're being original and not playing copyrighted music, you should be good to go. And don't think about your topic, it's not that hard. You could just go ahead and set up your camera or your phone on a tripod, or you could just go ahead and hold it and get a comfortable spot and get some food or drinks to make sure that you're prepared to stream for 45 minutes to an hour or even longer if it's going well. So after you click the go live button, you'll have a 3-second countdown until the live starts. But you won't actually get any viewers till probably around 20 seconds. After you click, you'll initially get a few viewers from your live notification, but when it comes to your first stream, most of these views will not go ahead and stay in your stream. And after a few times, people will start to stay because you will build an audience. And I would say that just don't look at the viewers, just focus on the content that you're making. You could just go ahead and do this by not reading the viewers count, so go ahead and make sure that you only focus on your content. For example, a lot of people talk non-stop for an hour. The important thing here is to go ahead and entertain your audience. And after you have streamed for a lot of time, TikTok will boost your stream to a ton of people, and your goal is to keep all of these people in the stream by entertaining them or speaking as much as possible, welcoming all of them and encouraging them to like and react to the live. When you get this view boost, the longer you can keep your audience, the more viewers you will get for your viewers account. Your account will just keep growing and growing. So there's actually more ways of making money online by using TikTok, like this channel right here. As you could go ahead and see, he is posting these videos right here where he tells about the men bedroom essentials you need. And if we go ahead and click his bio right here, we will go ahead and proceed to his affiliate links. I'll go ahead and click on open anyway, and as you could go ahead and see, for the bedroom he has basketball bean, cable organizer, and more. And if I actually go ahead and click in his links right here, it will go ahead and take me to his affiliate link. Now, for every sale that this product gets right here, he will get an affiliate commission. So that is really awesome because the only thing that he needs to do right here is to go ahead and promote products or to advertise products to his audience. And if we actually go ahead and click in one of his links again, you could go ahead and see that there's a lot of products here that he is promoting, and he will go ahead and earn affiliate links when you go ahead and buy from these links right here. For example, if I want to go ahead and buy this book, I'll just go ahead and click on it, and you could go ahead and see Amazon right here. This link right here will directly earn him affiliate commission. So if you are having a hard time live streaming, you could just go ahead and copy this business model right here where you go ahead and promote products and you try to get the affiliate links. Now of course, if you still don't have 1,000 followers, there's still a chance to go ahead and get the TikTok live feature. If you go ahead and go to this Twitter right here and fill out their Google form. So once you're here, you're just gonna be asked simple questions like this one. Enter your email address, and right here you have your TikTok URL, date of birth, where are you located, and more. But of course, doing it this way is not reliable. It seems like a lot of gacha. You either get it or you don't get it. Some people with a lot of followers actually get access to it faster than of course a small guy, which is to be expected. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.